Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the meaning of concept map. To begin, a concept map is a powerful visual tool designed to organize and represent knowledge. It helps you see the relationships between different ideas, making complex information more digestible. Think of it as a diagram where concepts are connected by words that describe their links. This method clarifies understanding and facilitates deeper learning for any subject. 1, 2, 3, 6. Every effective concept map is built upon a few core elements. First, we have concepts, which are your main ideas typically enclosed in shapes. Second, linking phrases are crucial. These are words on the lines connecting concepts, clearly stating how they relate. Third, cross-links show connections between different areas of your map, fostering creative thinking. Finally, a hierarchical structure, moving from general to specific, provides clarity and organization. 1, 2, 4, 8. To create a truly effective concept map, there are key principles to follow. Always begin with a clear focus question to ensure your map stays relevant. Structure your map hierarchically, placing the most general ideas at the top and branching down to specifics. Use meaningful, concise linking phrases to accurately define relationships, avoiding vague connections. Remember, concept mapping is an iterative process. Review and refine your map as your understanding deepens, making it a dynamic tool for learning. 1, 2, 9, 10, 14, 15. The benefits of concept maps are extensive. They significantly enhance your understanding and retention of complex information by making abstract ideas concrete. These maps are excellent for brainstorming new ideas, solving problems, and organizing your thoughts in a structured way. Educators also use them to assess student comprehension and pinpoint areas of confusion. From academic settings to business planning and research, concept maps serve as versatile tools for clear communication and deeper learning across many disciplines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.